Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. All right, today SPY is on an uptrend. That's really a good sign. And pre-market, I'm watching Tesla. Tesla would be my primary watch for the day. It's currently holding the trend. I would like the stock to break the pre-market high of 1022, show some strength, and then I'll be interested in trading the pullbacks. The second stock I'm watching today is Amazon. It's also doing the same. It's on an uptrend. I would like the stock to break the pre-market high, and then I'll be interested in the pullback. And the final one I'm watching today is Nvidia. Nvidia is clearly on an uptrend, holding the trend well, but since I have a history of making losses on Nvidia, I'll be careful trading Nvidia. So those are the three stocks that I'm watching pre-market. We do have around 7 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Tesla making a move. Amazon trying to make a move. Now jumping in. I'll wait. I want to see strength. Tesla may bounce off this level, but I'm not ready yet. I want to see a clear sign of strength before I'm interested. SPY is also dropping. No trades as of yet. Tesla back to green. So clearly it respected the support level. It's deep in the red now. It should give a bounce, and I'll be buying puts on the bounce. So right now I'm looking at a strike of 980 on the put side, anticipating the stock to bounce to 998. It's trying to make a bounce. Look at it go from $7 to $10, just like that. Not feeling FOMO. I want the stock to give me an entry. The first entry, I missed it. Now I want it to rebound and then continue down. Not ready to start a position now. I'll keep an eye. I want Tesla to test the 998 area and 1004 area. It's coming back. For now, I'll go ahead and pause. Tesla is bouncing. 705, my first entry. I got my fill. 997 area, that is where I'll be watching now to add. Adding. Didn't get my fill. Think I missed it. But I'll wait. Not panicking. Had I got my second ad, probably by now I would have been in the green. It's unlucky that I did not get my second ad. Now it's selling off. Holding just 5 contracts, so not panicking. I'm planning 3 ads on Tesla. The second one to around 998. Yep, I'm in at 575. I'm in the money now. I'll take 5 contracts out at 695, holding. Giving it some more time to work. Yep, it's going down. Moving it to 7, 25. Got out of 5 contracts. Now selling another 5 at 8. Another 3 at 840. Take me out at 840. Yep. Another 2 at 890. That was a great trade on the trade, making $2,700. I have no reasons to complain. Now, hindsight, I could have made more money if I would have hold on to my contracts, but that's not the idea here. You take some money off the table when you have it, and I did not panic. I holded on to my winner. I added when it came back. Perfect trade. I'll keep watching. So Tesla retesting the 990 area. SPY is not looking good as well. Not my setup as of now, so I'll keep waiting. Adding. I added at 660, anticipating the EMA to act as resistance. Only 5 contracts. My next add would be around 998 area. If it touches 7, maybe I'll take some out. 695, that I'm taking out 3 of them at 695, and the remaining 2 contracts I'll wait for a bit. $7.15. No. That's fine. I took some money off the table. Giving it some time. Just 2 contracts. Taking it out. 690. That's my sell order. Take me out. Not liking how it's playing around that area. One more contract at 690. Right now, holding just 1 contract. So maybe I'll get out of it. I'm out. Not a big winner because I just took 5 contracts, wanted to play it safe, being a Friday. So on the trade, I think I made maybe $200 or $100. Not sure how much I made on that specific trade. I bought at 660 and sold at 695 and 717. Not bad, but I'll take it. I'm so sorry that I could not record my third trade on Tesla. It was a loser. I got into a put contract around this area, and at this time Tesla was changing from a red to green move. So I was afraid that if Tesla breaks this area, it's going to be on an uptrend, which obviously is happening now. But at that time, I panicked and I booked my loser, 242. I did not add to my position there. And I lost close to around $400 on that trade, which puts me around $2,400 on the day. Not feeling bad about my final trade because I stick to my plan. Overall, a great day of trading, ending the day $2,481. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.